Hi everyone, Christine Hauschild with Royal LePage Team Realty. Boy, do I have a treat in store for you today. We are at 1746 Ainsley Drive, the most wonderful, remarkable, renovated bungalow set in such a family-friendly community. I love this area because you can just see the most mature landscaping, beautiful lots, and you can just imagine kids playing on the street. But let's go on inside and let's take a tour of this unbelievable home. So as mentioned, this is a beautifully renovated bungalow. This home has been lovingly designed and really thoughtfully created to have spaces that are really welcoming for the entire family. What's important to note is that we are 4 bedrooms and 3 baths in this home, and that is something you don't see very often. This home has so much light to it, and I love the open spaces with the living room and the dining room, and you've got this tremendous sized window at the front. But what you also have is this gorgeous wood-burning fireplace that has this wonderful marble mantle all the way around. It really elevates the look of it. And as you can imagine, this whole living dining room area is just perfection. So in most of these bungalows, you're going to find there's a wall between the dining room and the kitchen, but this has been so incredibly opened up. You've got the granite counters with the overhang for stools, perfect for eating or for homework time. And then you've got this beautiful kitchen, and it has the top to bottom cabinetry. There's a pantry area, the granite counters, a gorgeous backsplash. I really love the detailing on this. And then you've got just such an abundance of light. But this is a kitchen perfect for the chef and the family and for family living. So welcome to the bedroom wing. I love this space because it's been really nicely designed. We've got an exceptional sized main floor primary suite. We then have a fully renovated main bathroom right here. And then you've got 2 great sized bedrooms. And I think that they're wonderfully done and they have a lot of character to them. But what you also have behind this door is a powder room. And that is something that you do not see in this area. So having a 2-piece powder room along with a full bathroom is absolutely an amazing feature. So welcome to the incredible lower level. I love this space. It has been completely done. And first off, you've got this beautiful flooring everywhere. So it's easy, maintenance free, but it's the spaces that have been cleverly designed that I really like. Take a look at these bookcases. Can you imagine the kids' books on here? And then behind this door is a huge closet, which is perfect for putting everything away. But then you have the family room area, and you have a wall unit, and that's a perfect media area for putting away all the kids' toys and then watching TV, but it really is a great place to play. So then we also have behind another door over in this area, a huge utility storage room. And then off of that is a cold storage room. But wait, there's more. You now have a full bedroom. Now this room is sized to be easily another master suite, and it has a huge walk-in closet as well. So in addition, we have the most elegant luxury bath. Imagine waking up in style to this. You have a 6-foot-long jetted tub. You've got a beautiful custom shower. You've got double sinks with quartz counters. And you also have heated flooring. So it really kind of makes this area cozy. Just wait till you see the laundry. So laundry is an absolute breeze in this area. So beautifully done, and you've got this big window right here, but you've got all this cabinetry and really nice counter space, the stacked washer and dryer. But again, not only do you have all this storage, but you have another whole pantry wall of storage too. the top of the stairs from the basement and just to the side of the kitchen is the door to the backyard, and it is really nice back there. It's warm and family friendly. We have this renovated bungalow. As you saw, it has got everything to it, and it has the location as well, and we are on a wonderful sized lot on a perfect tree dotted street, and we are located in such close proximity to absolutely everything. If you work downtown, if you work in Nepean, you are so centrally located, so you really have access to everything. If you would love this home to be yours, please give us a call. We would love to take you on your own private tour.